Okay. Hey, assuming that's Zed. Yeah, hey Zed, how you doing? Nice to see you. Yes, I do live. The last crash yesterday was because of my stupidity. It wasn't because of my GPU. I actually went live a little bit before that, but yeah. YouTube Studio updated their logo. That's work on my. Oh wait, hold on. No, I'm a dumbass. I need to change my. I need to change my things for today. 1 second. Change. No. So I am going to the tech guy soon. Basically, I need to replace 2 of the fans on my GPU and get it repasted. So I'm going to go see him probably in about 2 weeks. But right now, what I've done is I have removed the obstruction that it was causing a minor issue for overheating. And then also I'm going to be working on my I'm also going to be cracking open the side of my case so that it gets a little bit more fresh air. So that in theory, it will be cool enough to avoid that. Also, I'm not playing Hollow Knight until I get my GPU fixed. I'm starting to get concerned that maybe it's just like because I was playing a game. Yeah. If I can figure out a way of doing it, I do also want to replace my sidewall with a grate, but I can't seem to find anything for that. That needs to go here, 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 that needs here, that needs here, that needs to get deleted. I need to keep my red marks clean, otherwise it will be a mess. So 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. What? Edit. There we go. Blend, blend, blend. Oh. Roll. Upcoming. The wedding is almost underway. Once the in theory, the thing. Ooh, how's it going? The wedding race is sounds good. Oh, it's weird. By the way, Zed. What are your thoughts on 3D printing? And 3D modeling in general? I just got rid of my resin printer and I bought a 4XY because I got a bonus from my job. Nice. Frontal. In theory, the wedding race. A separate event. But. But in truth, most of the. Oh. Thank you. But in truth, most of the attendees are already. In theory, the wedding race is a separate event, but in truth, most of the attendees are already here. Sure, some of them will be doing business, and catching up with other. But you still have to be carry. Say do some demonstration of the. It's rare that you get an offer. Go off your play to rum up. Yep. Ooh, yeah. Ultimately, you. Travel. Ultimately, you travel to. The information. Yes. You have. The likelihood that I hate rigging so much. It's basically in terms of my next model, rigging is what
It's basically all I have left. I like how it's literally just one group. That's a complete dumbass. I hate Stream Boost so much. I hate them so much. From all. Do some demonstrations with him. Frankly, now is one of the better. You better opportunities you have. I think the only ones I really know are Batman, Spider-Man, kind of Superman. I've like got half of them. A bunch from Green Lantern, a bunch from Wonder Woman, a bunch from The Flash. I mean, for Superman, the ones that I know are Lex, Doomsday, Bizarro, Parasite, and Metallo. Right? Those are the ones I know for Superman. I think also Mr. Mitzelblick or Mitzelspittel. I can't pronounce his name. Then there's also there's also Brainiac for Superman. Yeah. For on the Marvel side of things, it's worse, right? I only know like a few from Iron Man. I know a bunch of the ones from the X-Men. I know like 2 for Captain America. And I know a bunch of the Hulk's ones. Oh yeah. Flash, so Captain Cold, Trickster, Captain Boomerang, Zoom, Reverse Flash is Zoom. Rainbow Raider, Trickster, Abracadabra, I think. I think he's a Flash villain. Like, I don't remember most of the rogues. Frankly, now is one of the better opportunities you have for building political posts. Post a few. That is, it's actually surprisingly complicated because you need to like have a font that you are referencing and all of that stuff. Are you using a Google font or are you using like a TTF that you downloaded? I would recommend for any website, just use one of Google's fonts. They have like a... Okay, so my recommendation would be to go to font.google.com, right? Find the font that you want, right? So let's take like Roboto, Mono, whatever. I don't really care. You go to get font, and then you go into embed code. You shove this into the head of your HTML, and then you put these details into your thing. Hey Black Iris, how you doing? I'm currently working on an RPG that I run. Basically, every day I write a update based on what people have voted for in terms of how things are going. Also, as you might have caught me, I help some of my viewers with things that they do. So Zed was asking me about CSS stuff for a project that he's working on, and yeah, that's what this is about. But yeah, to answer your question, Zed, like hop into Google Fonts, pick out a thing, drop this into the head block of your HTML page, and these are how you insert. So I change the font for a div or whatever. And if you drop this into the HTML CSS, it will what do you call it? It will apply to. You can see how that font. If you drop into HTML, it applies to everything that inherits from HTML, which is everything basically, unless you change it. So yeah. So yeah, that's my recommendation. Likelihood that post a few dinners and other celebratory events to build some. So, MOs say, wait, where does it say mock? Where does it say mock? It should say MCQ, right? Mock is the other story that I'm working on, right? So if I pop over here, the March of Civilization is this power set that I created for story writing, right? Where, yeah, it should say MCQ. That's annoying. Why did... Oh, I forgot to update Twitch. My bad. There we go. Twitch is updated now. But March of Civilization is this power set. It's basically a writing tool. It's a power that you can give to any character in a story that you're interested in, and that would be, say, this power set is basically this roller. You get all these powers that you give to your main characters. Yeah, so to your character, however they want to play that. And I've been writing a test story for this, which is available on Spacebattles, Sufficient Velocity, and AO3. And yeah. Yes, I stream to both YouTube and Twitch. Hence the live chat stuff. It's on the stream because I want both YouTube and Twitch to be preserved, like YouTube and Twitch chat to be preserved in my pods, which are available on my YouTube channel. Yeah, and PPM, by the way, is my personal password manager. I'm basically working on a little thumbstick style dongle thing that when you plug it into a computer, it will link up to your phone or whatever else and allow you to manage your it'll allow me to manage my passwords super easily. Host a few dinners and other celebratory events in order to build some new connections. Or host a few dinners and other celebratory events to build. Also, if you do build some new connection. New So, Black Iris, what are you about? Like, I'm assuming that you have your own channel. Okay, no. Yeah. What brought you along to me in creative writing? I understand that this is not a particularly popular corner of Twitch. Unfortunately, ultimately the information was likely good that real both the forest are concerned worried about war. What do you do? Realistically, both the Forest King and the Sun are worried about your ability to nice. What stories have you worked on in the past? A realistic actually. Times for the revealing the dying feeling your capabilities are nice. What kind of magic systems do you work on? Or do you keep things fairly soft? I've been working on like making the magic system more concrete for the next phase of this story. Nice. That's always funny. Would be catching them by. I mean, it's the laws of physics with how as they reference magic, right? There might be like the laws of physics operating without the involvement of magic, but there might be enough natural magic that you need to take that into account as you design your world, right? So yeah, like for me, the magic system for MCQ is very much designed around the concept of like animism and souls, where all magic is ultimately the souls of like either replicating souls in miniature or expressing your own soul in order to override the natural rules of the world locally. So yeah. Yeah. So it's like, I guess yours would be a kind of a spirit thing. Yeah, basically it's like a pact-based magic system where you're borrowing magic from more powerful entities. That's pretty cool. But you probably be the best for avoiding any interference with your in the, of course, that would say long fallout is probably isn't going. But you had already committed to that. When you decided to unveil during your is still going to be a problem. It already committed that. So you get to ensuring contact in those cities. You have the supply prepared. The supplies ready. Set prepared. When the two making your delivery. Okay, so it's like a gamer style system almost. Usually the way gamer style systems are built less off of like elements and stuff and more on like less on stats and stuff and more on skill, right? The stats are very simple. You're stronger, you're faster, yada 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 yada. But skills allow complexity, right? And that's kind of where you get into the more complicated expression of how characters interact, right? You can say that, okay, this person is stronger when fighting these kinds of enemies, or this, they have a specific ability to go really fast but only in a straight line. And that gives you the options for strategy rather than just bigger number wins, right? That's usually a pretty good place to start off, so maybe you can think about what skills apply to what characters. Is prepared for war. Both parties are at the edges of their risks. What is that? Yeah, like really in a lot of like gamer style systems like lit RPGs, stats get boring super quickly, right? They exist because of the medium, but people will like, and to a certain extent like the numbers are interesting, but it's really like skills and titles and like these secondary traits that are more important. Yeah. Okay. Your mission for I wouldn't need any correct. Barely. Around. Hmm. Ligator. Uh, Everything is dealt with fair. Being set up long before any consider. Everything is dealt with. You are starting to feel a little more on. That no. You and on together. After. Okay. Good. Even with the ship? They might be fast forward, yes. But they are largely, yeah. Not much. I'm almost done with the update. No. Yeah. Even if I'll a few more. Oh. I guess we will see. Uh, flexing. You have built. But I wonder how. From life. Other crafts. Holy. Honestly, I don't know. I just use divs for everything. Let's see. HTML div, let's say section. Yeah. Section content is grouped, relates to a single theme. Entry in the outline of the page. Div does not convey any meaning. So section basically just means, hey, this group all is related to each other. So like if you want to make sure your stuff is accessible, then look into sections and stuff. Right? Section of a document. So it's like, okay, this is one part that's talking about introduction. This is another part that talks about criteria. And like the thing about HTML tags is that the implementing them properly is good if you want to be like if you want to meet accessibility requirements and stuff, but it's not always like like this actual rendering engines are pretty flexible overall. Uh, if you, oh. Bill. You barely dog out. So you like need to put hand I put in R you starts line onto Did I accidentally add surprise to a... Me a second. I'm gonna be right back.
And then we will work on the password manager. Okay. Let's see. See. Hold on. It's in. And then I need to go to this. Yep. Then. Yada. What? Oh, what am I missing out? Circuit, Python, HTTP subbase. Oh wait, hold on. Is that one? Add server dot root type def type request request circuit Python keyboard.
Turn response request dot request data. Yeah, it'll be here, won't it? Dot data is equal to request dot JSON if data is equal to circuit Python request but no. Print request dot if I go to okay, I do slash type. Why is that so? Oh, hold on. That's better. So if I now do Perl, then JSON by. Oh, actually, hold on. I don't even need to do that. I can just uh, edit and resend. I'm gonna say post body. Test. Hey, how you doing? How is Twitch? Huh? Ah, get. I'm currently trying to add a little thing to the website that will allow me to query, send this. Okay, I got a response. What does this say here? Hey, and that's working, right? And the idea is I want this to be able to type, type whatever I send it, right? Circuit Python get. Okay. How to make a HTTP request? 2 times. Circuit Python make NTP get in. I'm probably gonna split this at like whatever. Download. That is CSS color. You rotate. So, I mean, it depends, right? If you're trying to set it to, so there are two ways of going about it, right? You can probably do grayscale plus something else. But yeah, basically, you would want to look into these filters, right? So you would look into these filters. Probably something like grace. Say if you, depending on what you want to achieve, it might be grayscale plus tint or something else. CSS filter. Hey, you can probably look at this, where you take and do like this. Mess with the colors however you want to do that. Just take a look at this, cssgenerator.org, filter CSS generator. Probably the one that you're going to be most interested in is hue rotate. But the other one would probably be something like grayscale and hue, and then like grayscale. There's probably like a hue multiply thing that I can't find here. CSS filter hue multiply. Let's say color multiply. Yeah. So what you could probably do... Okay, so what you could probably do is, like, set a background color. Yeah. What you could probably do is set, like, a background color set it to grayscale and then mix blend mode multiply, right? And that would give you basically everything you want to tint it with any arbitrary color. If Wi-Fi connected. Okay. I do. Oh wait, that's right. You actually download Adafruit into. Okay. Rock time, yada 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 yada. Oh. Ooh. That's good. $20.25, minute 12. Okay, so that's in GMT. That's good. Circuit Python type. Send key code. if we do that. Hello, Kovichok, how are you doing? We are currently working on my yeah, we're currently working on my password manager. Oh wait, hold on. Wait, what's this? Annoying. Okay. Do I have that? Yeah, I do. Keyboard. Oh yeah, what did you realize? Note, you're already dead. So I probably won't be playing Hollow Knight until what do you call it? Next week, or at least week after that, maybe, because I need to get my GPU serviced. Apparently, I discovered some issues with it. So yeah. I guess they would. Yeah. I wish you the best of luck, man. Keyboard using. If he. How do you... ABD dot. Just send. Send. Where's key code? Key code. Okay. Okay, hold on. Unknown net reset. Okay, that was messy. Oh, did I not? What? Code A. Yeah, that's always kind of messy because because hey, that worked. That's good. 2000, yeah. They're 200. Yeah, I mean, like, it depends heavily on what they're supposed to serve, what role they're supposed to serve, right? Weeping Angels in the original, like, Doctor Who thing, were never meant to be a threat that you could defeat. It was a threat that you worked around, right? They were these indestructible, unkillable, really undefeatable enemies. Key codes or key codes. Key code lookup table. Oh yeah. I mean, it depends on how the game is designed around them, right? You can always have key codes that are okay. So if I say MSG if MSG dot E is not equal if oh, hold on, wrong button. Sorry about that. Am I in the right? Yeah, I'm in the right thing. PowerShell. So if I say type 1. If type MSG is equal to check if type is this. Yeah, usually that's kind of a mess with all kinds of Weeping Angel enemies, is when they're interacting with other enemies, right? That requires mobility and like a bunch of other things to play against it. You need to be able to like put space between you and the Weeping Angel and then time it and keep track of a bunch of things. Like, the most dangerous thing is 2 Weeping Angels, right? What type is this? ABD dot send, say, or key in message dot key is Ada fruit HID E down. Press release. Okay. For key and keys. ABD dot send key. If we're gonna do this first, and then we're gonna work out the we wanted to say 51, right? Let's send is yeah. Okay. What happened? Huh? Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. I cannot. Okay, that being once on the top broken monument once it moves. It's moving. Yep. Okay. Okay, so the surge is a problem because hiding in the closet breaks line of sight with the Weeping Angel. Print type message. What? Lord's Are you sure there's no other way to deal with surge or snare? Why is it saying that? Type. Oh.
Why is that being screwy? These keys, I'm definitely sending the right thing. Most recent last call. It has no attribute. What are you talking about? Dict has no attribute JSON. What? $65 says, hey, message is equal to request.json. Why is JSON screwing up so badly? Hold on. Well, I just want to see something. Yeah, right. Let's. Oh, of course. It's because I was a dumbass. Request or JSON. And then if I do here, not that. If I do. It object has nothing for JSON. Why the fuck does it not have anything for JSON? Request. Why is that not giving me what I want? Like, this one. Data. If I do that, what do we get? Hey, thank you for the follow, Black Iris. That's nice of you. Okay, I'll open what you sent. No worries, man. Let's see, what's in the Discord? Still loading apparently. So what's the issue specifically? It looks like you just have a weird transparency. Ah. think I know what your issue is. This is why background images exist. What you need to do is on the div that has the background image, so it has the image as the background, take a look at the CSS tag for background images. CSS. And this will allow you to specifically set the image so that it is, what do you call it? It is no repeat, and then it's clipped is the other thing, right? You can set that to however you want it to go. Right, background clip, right? And you can set it to whatever it is. So background, yada yada. Yeah. So background, no repeat, fixed center, and you can set scaling or whatever else. That's the way you want to do that. Right, background image, whatever, yada yada yada. Yeah, no worries. Okay. Oh wait, there is actually so we're gonna do like this. If data is not equal to null, then we're going to say if is say if is in data print. Let's just do this. Print is in data. And then we send if data is not equal to none, if testing if keys in data I if
is actually if data on valid key. What's up with suspension? You're being suspended? Or are you talking like there's some weird lag with the... Oh. Yeah. Sorry about that. Rest. Let's see. Rest. Or status code equal to 500. Status code list. If type keys I'm gonna say type the key is not equal to this. Check if is a list. That's what. Other fruit. Okay. If type on the list, we're gonna do list of is any. Okay. Why? Why was it not secure? Error detected. Oh, okay. Yada. Hey, that's not right. 4 key in keys. If is, if not is key int done. Okay, it'll take a minute. Okay. Print. Set response code circuit type. Code. Am I messing something up? There's definitely something wrong here. Yes. God. Just go. Okay, that worked that time. or key in use apd dot and use. Right. That Yep. Oh, that is probably true. Also, why is that not updating the... Oh, of course it...
Why is it not responding with... Adafruit send response. That's messy. Yeah, it's always like a challenge when playing with multiple people. Why is that? Oh, okay, hold on. I can just hit set status. Right? They're doing this. I can add. And that didn't work. Why the fuck did that work? Body. Why is it still saying 200? It shouldn't say 200. Hold on. Lion. What? Yes, that is correct, finally. Okay, anyways, why is this... print is are int. Okay. Print code dot. Wait, what I want to send? Read. Butterfruit circuit. HID. Eco.py, here we go. Oh, it's like that, is it? Hi. Twenty is, what is 20? 20 is 16 times. Yeah, it's 31. Correct. Oh no, that's. But it would still say 2. Sorry, what? Whatever, let's say 31 rather than those. Okay, hold on, class list. The hell is going on here? Why is that returning 200 okay? Is why? Check if okay, that worked. I just screwed up the times, whatever. The codes. I need to use this lookup table. E1 is why can't this just be a normal X converter? if 32, 32, say if false. If en is it? It's what 244 to 227. If key is equal to 0, 225. If kbd dot release else. Press. If good. OE is 14, right? Yeah. So let's say I send 255, comma 14. I got the code right. It was, yeah, 14. Why didn't shift? Start with false. Oh, it's not 255, it's 22. Right? Yeah, 22. And then we go back here. I Why didn't that work? Press. Oh, yeah. Okay. Then if I good, everything's working. 225, comma 14, comma. A was probably not the right letter to use for that. Okay. Let's change 14 to 50 now. Oh, okay. Oh, that is interesting. That would. Oh god, really? Where I set that up to? Oh, did I forget to? I did. I'm afraid that I'm going to have to kill the editor. Okay. Huh? Oh, okay then. Night, Zed. Ooh. Okay then, what are you gonna be working on? Playing some games? Local type, yeah. Is what's something better than K? Let's do 16, 15, 15, comma 225, comma 15, comma 225. Wait, that's right. I changed the. Oh no, I didn't change the root. We've hit this OS error again. I'm gonna close this out. Restart. There's a good chance that I'm going to have to eventually swap this out with different dev. Yeah, I'm gonna have to investigate this one. I think that's all for today then. Because this is the bug that I cannot. At least I can't fix right. I might look into digging out one of my old ESP32 and maybe set that up. Otherwise, I might have to purchase a separate SD. The S3, whatever. But yeah, we did. Oh, and I was in the wrong category this entire time.